coming true, coming true. See the robbers coming through, my fair lady. Chit-chat, clap the man's head off.
The Irish Folklore Commission worked to very high standards, and despite the fact that it had a relatively small operating budget, it maximised the resources to the best possible effect. One very innovative idea that the Commission used was to encourage school children to record local history and folklore. It was extremely successful. Over 4,000 schools participated, and almost 1 million pages of material was recorded by in the region of 40,000 school children.
In July 1937, after a lot of preparation with the Department of Education and the INTO, the Irish Folklore Commission initiated a scheme whereby the school children of the south of Ireland would be sent out to collect folklore from their families and neighbours. To instruct them in how to do that, Sean O'Sullivan from the Commission prepared a booklet, an Irish version and an English version, which instructed the teachers and the pupils on how best to collect the folklore, and provided sample questions under 55 headings, ranging from Kishti Or Valach, hidden treasure, through supernatural elements, material culture, local history, local characters. There was an emphasis on the local and unique songs, poetry that had been composed locally. So the idea was that the teacher would prep the pupils on one of the 55 headings. They would then go out and collect the folklore, write it into their own copybooks, and then the teacher would make a selection from all of that material that had been collected. This was usually written up by the pupils with the best handwriting, so we have examples of some lovely handwriting. This was written into large notebooks which were provided by the Department of Education, and these are now bound under hardcovers, what make up the 1,000 volumes and more of what is the school's collection.